In this tutorial, we're exploring Polo AI, an incredibly powerful yet beginner-friendly tool that helps you create eye-catching videos, images, and AI-generated visuals without needing editing experience. If you've ever wanted to level up your content for social media, branding, or professional projects, Polo AI gives you a fast and intuitive way to produce results that look polished and creative. Getting started is simple. After signing up through Google or email, you immediately receive bonus credits, and the platform even rewards you with extra daily credits just for logging in. This means you can begin creating videos and images right away without worrying about spending money up front. The interface is clean and straightforward, making it perfect for beginners who want quick results without complicated steps. One of Polo AI's standout features is its ability to transform your images into dynamic videos. Upload a photo, add a short text prompt, and Polo animates the scene. You can make forests move, oceans ripple, lights shift, or add motion elements like birds, waves, or drifting clouds. You can even upload multiple images and blend them into a smooth cinematic sequence, helping you create slideshows, marketing clips, product highlights, or social content that instantly feels more professional. This feature alone can save hours of manual editing. Polo AI also includes a powerful text-to-video tool. You simply describe the scene you want, such as an underwater adventure, a magical forest, a futuristic city, or a dramatic landscape, and Polo builds an animated video that matches your description. It works like having a full video production team at your fingertips. You can get specific about style, mood, colors, and motion, and the AI handles the heavy lifting instantly. For creators, advertisers, educators, and influencers, this feature opens up endless storytelling possibilities. Another amazing capability is the built-in library of AI video effects. With just one upload, you can apply transformations like superhero effects, anime styles, comic book motion, elastic animations, and more. These effects normally require advanced editing skills, but Polo applies them automatically. It's perfect for viral content, creative TikToks, Reels, or fun video experiments that stand out on any platform. Polo AI also offers video upscaling, an essential tool for anyone who needs clear, sharp, high-resolution visuals. If your footage looks blurry, low quality, or grainy, the upscaling tool can enhance it up to 4K resolution. There are specialized modes like face enhancement for interviews and portrait footage, and a full sharpen mode for improving overall clarity. This is incredibly helpful when repurposing older videos or refining new clips that need a professional finish. When it comes to pricing, Polo AI offers flexible plans. The Lite plan is affordable and gives you enough credits to experiment comfortably. The Pro plan offers a larger credit pool, watermark-free exports, private video visibility, and extra community features, making it ideal for creators who post regularly or manage multiple projects. For high-volume users, larger plans provide thousands of credits each month, ensuring you always have enough resources to produce consistent content. Whether you're working on personal projects, building your brand, creating promotional content, or experimenting with AI visuals, Polo AI gives you a smooth workflow and powerful creative tools. You can animate images, generate scenes from text, apply cinematic effects, enhance videos to stunning clarity, and produce high-quality content faster than ever. With just a few clicks, you can transform simple ideas into captivating visuals that grab attention and elevate your creative potential.